Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AA Vlogs. Welcome back guys. Uh, First of all, I would like to thanks for my previous videos that you have supported a lot. You have given a lot of love for likes and shares. 1,000 views for my patient rights and responsibility video is most motivative and encouraging for me. Guys, today I'm making this video in English so that it reaches maximum people and to understand the hospital directors and CEOs and many of the hospital staff, and we should reach many health employees, hospital employees, because this video is regarding NABH certification and its importance in the hospital. Guys, as we all know that NABH is the basic definition and basic means which is under its name, like National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers, which means it is a board or it is a body which certify for the hospitals, not only for the hospitals but also for healthcare providers like nursing homes, Ayurvedic hospitals, Ayurvedic clinics, veterinary hospitals, vaccination centers, even small clinics, Ayush clinics. Yes, every hospital, every clinic can go for NABH if it complies or implies the NABH standards, minimum NABH standards. Guys, NABH having many standards and objective elements. If you go through NABH book, 4th edition, 5th edition, you will come to know about NABH standards and objective elements. I'm not going through objective elements and standards. I'm giving the brief description why it is important in a hospital to get certified. Guys, many of the hospitals are going for NABH because they need insurance empanelments. Guys, financially it is benefitable. Yes, you should go, you must go, but apart from those, you also focus on your quality in your hospital. Getting certified and getting financially well is not enough for hospitals. Being healthcare workers, we must think of community people for their safety, for the quality of service what we are providing. NABH is mainly focusing on two things, like quality of service, what quality of service you are providing in your hospital. Overall, from the reception, from the beginning, from the entrance of the hospital to the discharge, till the discharge, how quality you are providing, how much quality you are maintaining in your hospital. Like in the entrance, you are seeing the signboards, way to casualty, way to reception, may I help you. In the reception, you are seeing the scope of services, what are all the services provided in your hospital, non-scope of services, which services are not provided in your hospital. This comes under quality. Yes, this comes under quality from the starting to the begin, to the discharge, till the discharge. Like discharge, when the doctor advised you discharge, how much time it is taking for discharge to go from the written order that patient can discharge now. From that time to patient goes out from the hospital, how much time it is taken, that is start for discharge, turnaround time for discharge. These records and many records in the hospital should be maintained for the quality of service. Many things at the reception, how the receptionists are communicating with you, how the signboards are displayed, patient rights and responsibilities are displayed or not, no smoking area displayed or not, fire exit signboards are displayed or not, way to fire exit signboards are displayed or not, floor plan, in which floor what are the facilities are available, this is displayed or not. This comes under quality guys. This is the requirement of NABH. And safety, what are the safety concerns? Yes, safety is not only for patient, safety is for hospital, if we implement the standards, if we implement the quality in our hospitals, whatever the required by NABH, it gives us safety. Not only hospital, it gives safety for hospital, it gives safety for employees, it gives safety for hospital owners, directors, CEOs. It gives safety for patients, it gives safety for community people. Nowadays, STP, sewage treatment plant, is mandatory for NABH. If the hospital is having more than 14 beds, they should and must have STP, sewage treatment plant. The disposal, whatever the goes out from the hospital, should be treated prior to the disposing, which goes out from the hospital. It should be treated in the hospital, at the hospital. This is the NABH. This is the safety concern. Yes, NABH is not getting certified, not for logo, not for insurance empanelments. It is for the community people. It is for you. It is for hospital benefit. We are still in a myth that if we get NABH, we'll get that, this, blah blah. NABH mainly focus on quality of service. Yes, from the beginning to discharge, and safety concerns. Guys, even after getting certification, even after getting accreditation from the NABH, you should maintain your quality standards. You should maintain the same compliance, the registers, the documents, the forms, the checklists, whichever has been given from your quality people. I request all the CEOs or directors of the hospitals, whoever are watching this video, to provide one quality department, a room with system, and hire a qualified and at least minimum 3 assessment faced. 3 NABH assessment has been faced by a person, so that he or she can manage the quality thing in your hospital. Either you hire full-time or part-time or visit basis, but you maintain a quality person. And top management should and must get involved in NABH from the beginning. Yes, I know that top management and directors, CEOs don't get time. They'll be busy with other things, but involvement with these things is most important part of your hospital in growth and development. Even after certification, if a patient comes to your hospital and not getting satisfied with your services, what you have provided, your hospital is failed at this point. So one satisfied patient leads to 1,000 marketing people. Yes, that one patient goes and tells to other people that this hospital provides sufficient services, satisfactory services. They take feedbacks at every stage, at every level, for every service. Yes, not only feedbacks, they take complaints, they receive complaints for the better development of hospital. They're focusing on quality. This is the feedback of the patient. If you're going for marketing, if you're focusing on marketing without giving proper services, without giving sufficient services in your hospital, without maintaining proper quality in your hospital, without maintaining proper safety in your hospital for the patients, whatever marketing you are doing is waste. It is a waste of part. I still believe that at least you should understand the major important part of NABH is patient safety and quality of services. Whatever your quality people or NABH people are asking you to do, just do it, maintain it. It is a minimum bearable cost. Yes. So I request you to follow all the objective elements, standards which has been given by NABH, to maintain these records continuously, even after certification. Even after getting certification of your hospital, maintain continuously for smooth functioning of the hospital, for your hospital growth, for your hospital development. I hope you understand the major important part. What is the major important thing was missing in your NABH. I hope you understand well. In next coming video, I will explain detail, give more information to the people whoever are watching my video. So thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe this channel so that I can get encouraged and motivated for updating you, keep updating you the next information videos. Thank you guys, have a good day, bye.